The 1990s were a defining decade for Britain's motor industry. Across the country, famous manufacturers faced enormous pressure as German engineering, Japanese reliability, and changing customer expectations transformed the automotive world. Luxury cars had to be faster, more reliable, and more advanced than ever before. Yet Britain remained home to some of the world's most prestigious names: Jaguar, Bentley, Aston Martin, Daimler, Rover, Bristol, TVR, Lotus, and Jensen continued building elegant machines with handcrafted leather interiors, polished walnut dashboards, powerful engines, and unmistakable British character. On paper, these cars promised luxury, prestige, and unforgettable driving experiences. Many looked spectacular, attracted worldwide attention, and carried legendary badges that buyers trusted. But behind the beautiful styling, not every luxury car became a success. Some suffered from reliability problems, others arrived with outdated technology, disappointing performance, or engineering decisions that frustrated owners. A few damaged the reputations of the very companies that built them. Today, we're counting down 10 of the worst British luxury cars of the 1990s. These weren't necessarily terrible cars, but they failed to live up to the enormous expectations placed upon them. Let's begin.
Number 10. Daimler Double Six. Introduced during the early 1990s by Jaguar Daimler, the Daimler Double Six represented traditional British luxury at its finest. Powered by Jaguar's silky smooth 6.0-liter V12 engine, it featured deep leather seats, polished walnut trim, thick carpets, and an exceptionally quiet ride. Owners loved its refinement and effortless cruising ability. However, the huge V12 engine was expensive to maintain and consumed fuel at an alarming rate. As more efficient luxury cars arrived from Germany, the Double Six began to look old-fashioned. Although beautifully built, ownership costs disappointed many buyers. Number 9. Bristol Blenham. Launched in 1993, the Bristol Blenham continued Bristol Cars' tradition of hand-built exclusivity. Every example featured handcrafted interiors, polished wood, soft leather, and a powerful American V8 engine. Its comfort and quiet performance impressed loyal customers. Unfortunately, its styling looked dated almost the moment it arrived. Many expected modern luxury, but instead found a design that appeared decades behind its rivals. With very limited production and little public awareness, the Blenham never appealed to a wider audience.
Number 8. Panther Kalista. Although first introduced during the 1980s, the Panther Kalista remained available into the early 1990s. Built by Panther Westwinds, it combined classic roadster styling with modern mechanical components. Buyers appreciated its handcrafted construction and distinctive appearance. Yet the retro styling divided opinion. Many customers seeking luxury sports cars preferred modern designs from Jaguar or Porsche. As tastes changed, the Kalista struggled to stay relevant. Today, it is admired by collectors, but during the 1990s, it failed to attract many buyers.
Number 7. Bentley Turbo R. Introduced earlier but hugely popular throughout the 1990s, the Bentley Turbo R transformed Bentley's image. Its turbocharged V8 engine delivered remarkable performance for such a large luxury saloon. Inside, handcrafted leather and polished walnut created an unforgettable atmosphere. Owners loved the effortless power. However, running costs were enormous. Fuel economy was poor, servicing was expensive, and repairs often shocked even wealthy owners. Luxury came at a very high price. Number 6. Lotus Esprit V8 in 1996. Excitement spread across Britain. Its sharp wedge-shaped body looked every bit like a supercar. The new twin-turbocharged V8 engine offered breathtaking acceleration. Drivers praised its handling and performance. But developing an entirely new engine created unexpected problems. Early reliability issues and costly maintenance disappointed some owners. The driving experience was unforgettable. Living with one could be far less enjoyable. Number 5. Jensen SV8. introduced in 1998, attempted to revive one of Britain's famous luxury sports car brands. It featured attractive styling, leather interiors, and a powerful Ford V8 engine. Many enthusiasts hoped Jensen had finally returned. Unfortunately, production was plagued by quality problems and manufacturing delays. Only a tiny number were completed before the company collapsed once again. Instead of marking a successful comeback, the SV8 became another chapter in Jensen's troubled history. Number 4. TVR Cerbera. The TVR Cerbera, launched in 1996, quickly became one of Britain's fastest performance cars. Its lightweight body and powerful AJP V8 engine delivered astonishing speed. Drivers loved its raw character and thrilling performance. However, ownership wasn't always enjoyable. Electrical faults, engine issues, and inconsistent build quality frustrated many buyers. It was exciting on a country road. It could be frustrating in the workshop. Despite its brilliance, reliability prevented it from becoming the complete package.
Number 3. Rover 800 Sterling. During the 1990s, Rover continued improving the 800 Sterling in an effort to compete with executive rivals from BMW and Mercedes-Benz. Leather seats, walnut trim, and a comfortable ride gave it genuine luxury appeal. Business executives appreciated its traditional British character. Unfortunately, aging engineering and recurring electrical faults hurt its reputation. As competitors became more advanced, the Rover struggled to keep pace. Owners expected executive quality. Too often, they received expensive repair bills instead.
Number 2. Aston Martin Virage. Introduced in 1990, the Aston Martin Virage carried enormous expectations. Its muscular styling, handcrafted interior, and powerful V8 engine promised to continue Aston Martin's legendary heritage. Many buyers admired its exclusivity, but early reviews criticized its heavy weight, high price, and handling. Customers expected one of the world's finest Grand Tours. Instead, many believed it lacked the sharp performance expected from such an expensive car. Although later improvements helped, first impressions proved difficult to overcome.
Number 1. Jaguar XJ220. Taking the number 1 position is the unforgettable Jaguar XJ220. When Jaguar first revealed the concept, it created worldwide excitement. The original design promised a V12 engine, four-wheel drive, and revolutionary performance. Thousands of enthusiasts placed deposits, believing they would own Britain's greatest supercar. But as development continued, everything changed. The production version arrived with a twin-turbocharged V6 instead of the expected V12. Four-wheel drive disappeared. At the same time, the global economy entered recession. Many buyers canceled their orders. Although the finished car became one of the fastest production cars ever built, disappointment spread among customers who believed Jaguar had changed too much from the original vision. Jaguar invested enormous sums creating an engineering masterpiece. Yet changing specifications, canceled orders, and disappointing sales turned the XJ220 into one of the company's most expensive mistakes. Today, it is recognized as a legendary British supercar. But during the 1990s, many early supporters felt genuinely let down.
Looking back, these remarkable cars remind us that even famous manufacturers can make difficult decisions that don't always lead to success. The 1990s produced some of Britain's most ambitious luxury automobiles. They combined beautiful styling, handcrafted craftsmanship, and impressive engineering with bold ideas that pushed the industry forward. Some simply arrived at the wrong time. Others were held back by reliability issues, rising costs, or expectations they could never fully satisfy. Today, many of these cars have become valuable classics, admired by collectors who appreciate both their strengths and their fascinating stories. Sometimes, history is kinder to these machines than the buyers who first drove them. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next countdown as we explore another remarkable chapter from Britain's unforgettable motoring history.